Starting with the ball of clay, try to hit the center or push the clay to the center. Start the wheel. Center the clay by pushing forward and press down. We'll do this 3 to 5 times. Push forward, press down. Okay. When done, clean the side. Now we create the width. Press down with your thumb, slide forward and pull. Okay. Once the width is created, we're going to create the height. Now you're going to be very careful when you press. You need to hold your hand steady when you move up. Now I'm going to do the third pull. Alright, it's going to get better if your fingers are not in control, then we will have uncontrollable shapes. So cut the bottom so that I can put my fingers in there to lift it up. With the wire, press down, pull, your fingers, and lift.